Hey everybody, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Sunday, December the 10th, and we are going to be doing our November eBay and Mercari sales. Now, before we get started, we are going to be cash stuffing some of our sinking funds, some of our cash envelopes. We do already have some stuff written down that will definitely be stuffed, but we are also going to be using the will as well because I don't know what else to do, or some priorities, so I can't decide, so we're going to use the will again. But anyways, so let's just go over some numbers. At YouTube, we did not get paid this month for YouTube in November. Mercari, we did not make any sales, which is kind of weird. In December, as of right now, Mercari, I think Mercari is actually making more money than eBay, to be honest. And then eBay, we made $90 in total profit. So it's always good as long as we're making money. It doesn't have to be like over $100 every time. It is just a side hustle that I do, a part-time gig that I do. I have a salary job that I'm very happy with. But eBay and Mercari and doing like the reselling stuff, it's actually really fun, like packaging the things, going out and looking for the items to resell. It is just actually just really fun for me. So $90 in total profit for eBay. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So $90. And we are going to go ahead and set all of that right here in our little holder. All right, so first off is going to be taxes. So taxes, we always put 20% back from either eBay, Mercari, YouTube, Etsy. So any of that, we will be putting that back. So $90 times 20% is $18 is how much we are going to be putting back. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So $18 for taxes. And it is going to be going into our yellow envelope. And our yellow envelope is pretty much like home and business, pretty much. Oh, it's not yellow. It's actually long term, my bad. So long term is our purple one. And this is just pretty much stuff that we have to save every year or some stuff that is important. So taxes, we are going to be putting $18. Let's just do it that way. All right, so right now for taxes, we have 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, and 82. So we have $382 as of right now, and we are going to be getting one more paycheck at the end of the month, so that will be the end for the 2023 taxes for me. So hopefully I have enough money to pay the person that's going to be doing my taxes, and also hopefully I don't owe any taxes as well. Fingers crossed, because I have not owed any taxes so far. So $18 is how much we are going to be putting in taxes. And then savings, we are going to be putting $20 into savings. Now, I do have a savings challenge, and we are going to go ahead and color that in. We have 3 slots left, you guys, and I am so excited about this. So $20 is going into savings. And this is my rainy day fund that I do have on my Etsy shop, which will be linked down below and at the end of the video. So we have $20, and we do not count this because we want to be surprised to see how much we have saved to put into our savings account. But we only have 3 left, so we are going to be unstuffing the, what's it called? The Shut the Box Challenge. So hopefully some of the money will go into savings as well. So like I said, we are putting $20 in that. And then debt is also going to be getting $20 as well. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, and 99. So $199 is how much we have so far in debt. So $199. And we added $20 to it. All right, so now we have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, about a little over like $31, $32. So we are going to go ahead and do the spin the wheel right here. And let's see if I can, there it goes. All right, so let's see where all this money is going to go. So first we're going to do the dollar bills as always. So the first one is going to be going towards birthdays. And birthdays is always a good one. And we are going to just be putting $1 in that. Next, we are going to be doing birthdays again. Wow. Birthday is definitely getting some love. All right, so let's see what else. We have 14 entries for this one. And I just really just pick up my binders and look through my envelopes just to see what I need to add. So Jared gets $1 in savings. And we will count everything at the end. Let's see, we have $4 more. Fertility, awesome. Fertility is always a good one. Next is going to be car maintenance. I actually have warranty right now, so I don't have to pay for anything, but it's always good to have a buffer just in case I need to get tires or anything soon. So savings. So I did put some in my savings account, so we are going to be putting some in Jared's savings this time. And if it goes again, then we will put one in the rainy day funds. Let's see, car maintenance again. Okay. Next is going to be one $5 bill. Where is this $5 going to go? It's always exciting. Savings, so we can put it in the rainy day fund, which we will do it at the end of the video. Just going to set it right there, so we will put it in my savings. Moving on again, we are going to be putting it in the pet fund. So let's do it right here. That is $10 for Dobby and Oliver. That is exciting. It's always fun. I didn't finish my sentence, but it's always fun whenever you get to the bigger ones. So it's like, ooh, who's going to get the $5? Who's going to get the $10? Or who's even going to get the $20? Which is really exciting. So last $10 is going to be going towards traveling. This is the generic traveling that we are going to be doing as of right now. I think it is in our long-term savings. There it is. And it'll get $10. So I'm going to set this aside and we are going to go ahead and count everything again one more time. So traveling has $10 is what we're going to add. So we have 20, 30, and 31 in generic traveling. And let's see. Make sure we don't have anything. Fertility gets $1. So we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and 43. So we have $243 in fertility. And then nothing else. Let's go to car maintenance. And car maintenance is going to be getting $2. And we have 100, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So $217 in car maintenance. And let's see, Dobby, or the pets, will be getting $10 added. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, and 86. And I think that is it. Then we're going to move on to Jared's. Jared is adding $2 in savings. So he has 20, 25, 26, and $27. And that is it for Jared. And then the green binder, we are adding $2 to birthdays. So we have 5, 6, and 7. So $7 for birthdays. And let me double check. Perfect. And last but not least, I know it's cheating. I should just add the $20 to here, but I really want to finish this challenge. So we are going to be adding another $5 to this rainy day fund, which is so exciting, you guys. And let's see. Rainy day fund. We are adding $5. Awesome, and I'm not going to count it. So that is it, you guys. So we stuffed $90 worth of our side hustle from eBay and Mercari, mainly because of eBay. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. I hope you guys enjoy these videos every single month that I get to you. It's actually really fun to see how much my channel has grown, and also my side hustle from eBay and Mercari. But anyways, I love you guys and thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. And I will see you guys on Tuesday for a money challenge. Bye, guys.